and we're going to talk about yoga and basically Thai yoga therapy. It's about putting your body in certain positions. And when you do this, you're stretching aspects of your body. You're getting hormonal releases in the body. For example, Liza will put me in a position where I'll be releasing thyroid through the thyroid gland. When you do these things with yoga, when you stretch and when you have a hormonal interaction where you're focusing on different aspects of the body that can release hormones, you're really toning down the sympathetic nervous system. So Liza is my therapist, and she's going to explain what Thai yoga therapy is all about.
A sacred art combining Ayurvedic medicine and the Chinese meridian system to bring about stretching, energizing, balancing, and hopefully some relaxation in the process of working with any client. And when we work together, we're looking to change that mind-body energy in you.
Correct. And you know, she said it beautifully, but the word here is tensegrity. So when Liza is working on my left pinky or my left foot, she's literally healing the right hip, because all these cells communicate with one another, they talk to one another, and when they do that, she can be working in one area of the body and healing another area of the body. And that's what's really great about Thai yoga therapy.
So I think we should show them.
All right, let's do it. Let's do a little demonstration. Stretching is really one of the most important things you can do for the body. It's just so important. We really don't stretch enough. And it's hard to stretch by yourself, because when you stretch by yourself, you know, you will get some benefit, but when you have another person stretching your body for you, and right now she's doing yoga on me, she's active and I'm passive, but by stretching the tendons and ligaments and freeing up energy, she's improving blood flow to those areas that are contracted. And the gallbladder, you're working on gallbladder here through the gallbladder meridian. So these are some of the techniques that we do in Thai yoga therapy. And again, it's a type of therapy that I would encourage for anybody with lower back issues, breathing issues, shoulder, ankle, you know, any of the extremities. Lots of times Liza will have me deep breathe in a session. Now deep breathing, and I'll just do it for you. She'll have me breathe in through my nose and then out and make a noise with a like that. Now, oh, this is a real good stretch. This is a stretch on the hamstring and on the right hip joint. And when you do it with the deep breathing, so if I breathe in and I do that, when I'm really doing it, when I take a deep breath, as a cardiologist, I can tell you this is really awesome, because I'm improving what I call heart rate variability. And when you improve heart rate variability, you're relaxing the autonomic nervous system. So again, with heart rate variability being improved by the deep breathing, this is another mind-body maneuver to relax the body. And that's another factor, the breathing, that, you know, any students of yoga do a lot of breathing. And the breathing, you know, is connected to the heart. And when you improve heart rate variability, you're literally de-stressing the body. So Liza's concluding the session. Typically a session goes from 1.5 to 2 hours. What she's done for my body is she's worked the trapped energy areas, and she's freed up energy. She's done some stretching. She worked on organs and meridians, and literally improved the blood supply to areas of the body where the blood supply was sort of stagnant or blocked. You know, now she's massaging the face and scalp. The scalp is loaded with blood vessels, and she's, you know, working this area. And again, this is sort of a closure to the session. Typically, I wouldn't be talking. I'd be focused or meditating or just, you know, I would focus on my breathing. Sometimes I fall asleep during a session, but this type of therapy, the Thai yoga massage therapy, is, again, just a wonderful type of therapy to balance or align your autonomic nervous system. Just like yoga or qigong or tai chi or meditation, you know, any of these therapies can balance the autonomic nervous system, and this is what this therapy does.